So you know what that means? It means that you can snag a bunch of items for less than $1 or even walk away with a bunch of free items. Hey my Sky Savers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kim and this is a world of Sky, a world for women and moms are looking to save money and get the most bang for your buck. And today we're talking about how you can use coupons and save even more money at Dollar Tree. I know, everything at the Dollar Tree is already $1, Kim, like seriously. But if you're watching this, you want to know how you can save even more at the Dollar Tree because there are more savings to be had. And today we're going to talk about how to save more money at the Dollar Tree by using coupons. First things first, if someone is behind you at the Dollar Tree and says, "Oh my gosh, you're using coupons?" Everything is already $1. You say, "Okay, spend your dollar how you want to spend your dollar, and I'm going to get my stuff for free." So, did you even know that the Dollar Tree accepts coupons? Yes, girl, they accept coupons. So you know what that means? It means that you can snag a bunch of items for less than $1 or even walk away with a bunch of free items. Who doesn't want to do that? Who doesn't want to do that? Before we jump into talking more about the items that you can get at the Dollar Tree with coupons, let's talk about the coupon policy that the Dollar Tree has. You can find this coupon policy for the Dollar Tree as well as other policies for commonly shopped stores that you coupon at in my coupon policy guide. I will leave the link in the description box below. It puts all of the coupon policies in one downloadable guide for you, so check that out. The link is in the description box. So the Dollar Tree does accept manufacturer coupons, and these are coupons that you can find in your local newspaper or that you can print out online. You can use as many newspaper coupons as you like as long as there is no restriction listed directly on the coupon. If the coupon has a limit listed, you will need to follow that limit that is written on the coupon. So if it says like 2 identical coupons in a household per day, you would only be able to use 2 of that same exact coupon. As for printable manufacturer coupons that you can print at home online, you can only use 2 of those per day. So just 2 total of the printed manufacturer coupons. Now let's talk about the value of the coupons. You can use coupons that have a value that is higher than $1, but the coupon value will then be reduced to the purchase price of $1. So because everything at the Dollar Tree is only $1, they will take the coupon and reduce that price down to $1. So an example of this is if you have a $2 off coupon for toothpaste, you can get the toothpaste for free, but you would not get that $1 back or use that dollar towards the rest of your items in the transaction. They would just make the $2 coupon value $1 in their system. You can also use buy one, get one free coupons at the Dollar Tree as well. So it's great that you can use coupons at the Dollar Tree. However, there are some things that you need to watch out for. One of those things is the size limitations listed on the coupon. Dollar Tree often does carry the name brand products, but they carry it in smaller sizes. So you'll want to make sure that whatever size you're looking to pick up, that it meets the size qualification on the coupon. In addition to using coupons at the Dollar Tree, you can also use cashback apps to, again, maximize your savings there. Some of the apps that you can use are Fetch Rewards and Ibotta. So simple to use. You simply just take a picture of your receipt, upload it into their app, and they will give you points in your account that you can later redeem for gift cards or cashback. If you're interested in signing up for those cashback apps, my link is in the description box below. You can click on there, you can register, and you can start uploading your receipts from the Dollar Tree for more savings. But you can also upload receipts from different stores as well. So it's a great app to use to get money back on things that you are purchasing anyway. Lastly, some Dollar Trees sell the Sunday newspaper with the coupon inserts for, yep, you guessed it, $1. $1. At many other stores, that Sunday or Saturday newspaper can range anywhere from $2 to $4 per newspaper. So being able to grab it at the Dollar Tree for $1 is a superb deal. Not all Dollar Trees sell the newspaper, so you'll need to check with your local Dollar Tree to see if they are one of the locations that does sell the newspaper, and if they are, be sure that you're getting your newspapers from the Dollar Tree to get your coupons. Now, let's talk about some of the items that are frequently in the coupon insert rotation that you can pick up at Dollar Tree for very cheap, or better yet, you can get these items for free. Keep in mind that the inventory does vary drastically from Dollar Tree to Dollar Tree. So not all Dollar Trees are created equally, unfortunately. So you may find that some of these Dollar Trees carry these items and some of the Dollar Trees don't. So you may have to go to more than one Dollar Tree if you're looking to snag these type of deals. So the first item is cereal. Oftentimes General Mills has a coupon for cereal, and it's just the smaller bags of General Mills cereal, and you can use the coupon. After using the coupon, you can get the cereal for 50 cents. So sometimes it's $1 off of 2 or 50 cents off of 1. The coupon may vary, but overall the ending value for that cereal is 50 cents. This can also apply to different cookies and chips by Nabisco, so you'll want to keep an eye out for those type of deals as well. A big score at the Dollar Tree is actually their toothpaste, and this goes for Crest toothpaste or Colgate toothpaste. You will often see coupons from anywhere from 50 cents to $2 off a tube of toothpaste. So what does that mean at the Dollar Tree? That means that you're paying only 50 cents for a tube of toothpaste, or you're getting it for free. Completely free. Well, kind of. You still do have to pay the tax on these items. Remember that if the coupon value, so if you have a $2 off toothpaste coupon, is over $1, they will adjust that coupon down to only a $1 value. Also, pay attention to the size restriction listed on the toothpaste coupon, as well as the flavors. You want to make sure that you're only grabbing items off of the shelf that meet those qualifications. That way your coupons will successfully scan at checkout. Along with toothpaste, you can also grab yourself some toothbrushes. Typically the coupons are anywhere from 50 cents to $1, so that means that will make your final out-of-pocket cost 50 cents or even free. Again, you have to watch for the restrictions that are listed regarding the type of toothbrushes that you can use the coupon on. Another item is the Bounty single roll paper towels. So you will often get a coupon for 25 cents off, which makes each roll only 75 cents. Not a huge savings, but still there are some savings there. You can pay less than $1 for that Bounty single roll of paper towels. So the next thing, I'm going to lump everything into kind of one category under medicine. So you can score some great deals on pain medicine, antacids, cough drops, first aid supplies. A lot of times you can get these items for free. Again, free items, but you do still have to pay the tax on the items. So keep your eyes peeled for any coupons that you get regarding medication, and if they don't have a size restriction, try the Dollar Tree. Another thing that you can get for absolutely free at the Dollar Tree is shampoo. So this one does vary quite a bit because of the inventory at different Dollar Trees. However, if you can find shampoo at your Dollar Tree, you may be able to find also a coupon that will correlate with that shampoo. So I've seen Pantene, some Suave, some White Rain, Head and Shoulders. There are a variety of different types of shampoo and conditioner coupons that you would also be able to use at Dollar Tree. The next thing is body wash and soap. You can score some really great deals if your Dollar Tree carries certain types of body washes or the actual bars of soap. Typically the value of these coupons is $1, which means that you will score them for free. The next great item to pick up at Dollar Tree with coupons is deodorant. Deodorant, yes. You want to be careful with this one because there are some size restrictions. Like I said earlier, Dollar Tree does tend to carry smaller size items. So you have to make sure that the item meets that minimum size. If it does, grab it up. If it's something that you can't use, maybe you can grab it and donate it to charity, or if you have family or friends that could use it, those are great items to give to them. Another big score at the Dollar Tree is BIC items. So I'm talking the stationery products. So you can oftentimes grab the whiteout or the pens or the BIC pencils. And of course you can get them for free, right? These are great items to have if you have children. I stock up when I have these coupons. I just stock up on the BIC items because you can always use a pen or a pencil. The whiteout, I don't know. But pens and pencils, you can never go wrong because those are always coming up missing. So grab them at the Dollar Tree for free. And the last thing that I want to talk about that you can grab from the Dollar Tree are things in the frozen food section. So not every Dollar Tree has a frozen food section. So this would only apply to those stores that do. You can score things like the Jimmy Dean's single serve frozen items, frozen veggies, as well as some cheese and different snack foods. There are a lot of different things that are actually in the Dollar Tree's fridge and freezer sections that actually have coupons in the Sunday papers. So pay attention to these items. Pay attention at your Dollar Tree. When you go the next time, take a look and see what items they carry in your Dollar Tree. And then as you're looking through your coupons, you can match the coupons with the items that are at your Dollar Tree and score a lot of them for 50 cents or again, free 99. Okay, so there are more items, there are many more items that you can score at the Dollar Tree, but I just wanted to give you guys a few to keep your eyes peeled out for. Some of these things I have been getting for years and years and years. Remember, the inventory does vary by store, so you may have to go to a couple of different stores in order to grab all these superb deals. But trust me, it is worth your time if you have a tight budget or if you're just simply looking to save money like myself. One quick note though, you do have to know what you're doing. So if you are new to couponing, I have a free course for beginners. It's for you, girl, I got you. Check out the link in the description box below in order to register for this free course that will teach you the basics and fundamentals of getting started couponing. I mean, you need to know how to do this. Okay, so I hope that this video was very helpful to you and that the next time you go to your Dollar Tree, you'll start to look around for some of the items that I mentioned and you can save some more money on those things. Before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little notification bell so that you receive a notification every time I upload a new video. And I do upload a new video every single week and it's pertaining to saving you money in some fashion. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you and I'll see you in my next video. Happy saving!